Hello students, now the last stanza of poem Keeping Quiet. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Here the poet wants to invoke the symbol of automatic self-regeneration from nature, and he wants to convey the message of immortality of soul, that there is also a life after death. Here the poet thinks about the birth, death and rebirth by giving the example of earth. Perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead, later proves to be alive. Here poet gives the example of winter. In winter season, everything seems dead. As you know the proverb, if winter comes, can spring be far behind? Because in winter, everything be frozen. In Western countries, earth seems like a white sheet. All the plants become white, all the plants become barren, leafless, and there is no life. Like earth seems dead. But as spring comes, as the season changes, life sprouts up. Plants sprout up into new buds, new leaves they got. So, when everything seems dead, later proves to be alive. When earth seems frozen, but the seeds which are lying under the soil, they were preparing for getting new life. And as the spring comes, it sprout up into new plants. And same the poet said, after death there is a life. Soul is immortal. And when it seems dead, but after that it gets a new body. Human beings can thus learn that life and death go hand in hand. So one should focus on life without worrying about death. We shouldn't worry about death. And last two lines, now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Again the poet urges the readers to be quiet. The poet concludes the poem by reinforcing the pious moments, the peaceful moments on which he has begun the poem. He leaves the listeners in an exotic moment, in extreme happiness, and he once again requests everyone to count to 12 and be quiet and enjoy the bliss of silence. We know the bliss of silence as it has already been discussed in the poem. There, no rush, environment protection, no disputes, no inequality, everyone would be in the sudden stillness. And this message the poet wants to give through this poem. Thank you.